Hey gang, y'all, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to everybody. Hope y'all having a good weekend. Today we're gonna do some jalapeno poppers. I already got them done. And I got some huge chicken breasts. We're gonna stuff them with some of this ground meat, sour cream, and pepper jack. And we're gonna wrap them in bacon. How you like that? So y'all check this out, man. This is what we're working with right here. These things are freaking huge. I'm just gonna stuff one, and I'm gonna cook the other two regular. And I will be hitting that with some Uncle Steve's original rub. Y'all go check out Uncle Steve at UncleSteveShake.com. Get y'all some of this goodness. So y'all stick around. We'll get the party started. Alright gang, we got the two of the chicken breasts seasoned up. I cut a pocket in this big old breast right here. Skin on bone in. These things are freaking huge, man. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take some of this, what I use to stuff my jalapeno poppers with. That's the ground meat and the cream cheese and pepper jack. And we're going to throw that junk in there like this. And that should be plenty right there. And we'll close this up. And we're going to not put the spoon back in the pot because it's contaminated with chicken. That junk out of here. Alright, now I'm going to wrap this in bacon, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, we got this chicken breast stuffed, wrapped in bacon. We're going to hit it with a little Uncle Steve's on the outside right now. Man, this ought to be some good stuff. Y'all hang loose. I'm going to fire up the grill. We'll be back. Put the chicken on about 20 minutes ago. The grill's running about 400. I got the throttle trimmed way back, but I did a bunch of charcoal on here for a long cook. I got to do the poppers and some boudin. 114. 26, and this is the stuffed one here. 20. Alright, I'm gonna let this go a little bit more. We'll be back. Alright, we're about 40 minutes in, y'all. These things are freaking huge, man. Temping about 160-ish. So we're gonna let them go another 10 minutes or so. We're gonna check them out. Alright guys, chicken breasts are done. About 173, 71, 174. We're gonna pull these off. We'll grab our poppers and we'll get this thing going. We'll see you in a minute. Alright, we got the poppers on. Got a little timer set right now. Y'all hang loose. We'll be back when these are done. Okay, chicken is rested. Look at that, Miss Carrie got her some already. The end piece. This is the one I'm interested in right here. This is the stuffed one. So let's see. Can we cut this dude down the middle? Just a little bit in the middle here. So I'm gonna get a little piece of this with that bacon on it. Goodness. Look how juicy. Messy but juicy. You know the drill? Y'all come up here. Still smoking a little bit. Oh, it's hot. Cheers to you, gang. Y'all, that's good. And I use the same stuffing for my jalapeno poppers. One more time. Man, that's good, y'all. And Uncle Steve's original. Oh yeah, good stuff. Yeah, don't forget, check out Uncle Steve. UncleSteveShake.com. Get y'all some of that goodness. And I'm waiting on the poppers to come off, but y'all seen them already, so get my grub on. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.